Good evening. Today we will see that how to stop the tax calculation on purchase orders. How to stop the tax calculation on purchase orders. Okay. For that, we have to go to setup and maintenance, or we can go from procurement offering also. I will show both. One is from data research. So we'll go from like so the requirement is how to stop tax calculations on purchase orders. Setup and maintenance, go to procurement offering, and you have to go to tax, transaction tax, then manage relation more tax options so that you can stop tax calculations. You have to application is or purchasing. Then ours is like ours is business unit, business unit. Sorry. How to stop the tax calculations on purchase. That is the requirement. Click on this. So is enabled. And go to purchase orders. Contains going to delete, okay, because the pin. So please example hello tax info stack from Oracle. This is the hello tax calculation. The hello tax traceability has to be disabled. So disabled. That's why we don't calculate tax. Okay. This is the control of to stop the tax calculations. Okay. So this requirement is how to stop the tax calculations on POs. That's why you have taken application name is purchasing. So it won't calculate tax for agreements as well as purchase orders for enterprise tax. The focus has to be our tax regime. Our tax regime is T-tax regime. You have to focus first, and only it will be enabled. Because I want again, I want to. I will show that you won't calculate tax. Go to procurement, purchase orders. So create order. So this is the T business unit. Tax is based on the our business units. So you have to be That's why I've taken the business unit, created one subtype for that. So, default taking T invoice location and click on create. The requirement is how to start tax calculations and views. Then move lines and click on create one test item. I'm taking that quantity is 10. So we have to be schedule. How to view text schedules. I'm taking 14 December. Save it. So these are calculating taxes. Once you save, the tax will be calculated. So, but is now it is not calculated. But I want to revert back to default tax, default business unit, like this is a purchase. Then click on this. Go to view tax options. Read it. Now, if you want, then save it. Yes. If you save it back, to create one more view. So this is a T business unit. Tax will be calculated on based on business units. I have taken T subtype first of plan. Then I am taking T noise. And I'm taking one item. First item. Then quantity. Should do shadow view. Scheduled first delivery date like 4th December. Okay. To save it, have to be calculated because sometimes it won't affect it but line level. So tax is calculated. Okay. To stop the calculations, you have to go to manage configuration and tax options. And after that, we have to enable allow tax support to be disabled. Okay. It had to be it had to be in check mode, uncheck mode. So that's why it won't calculate tax. Okay. Suppose I want to modify it, you can modify it. Okay. And if you have any doubts on the how to on tax codes, like want to calculate tax for a particular item, and I don't want to calculate for particular suppliers. And this type of requirements, please ping me into YouTube comment section so that I can reply back on YouTube comment section. Okay. Thank you.